to ACDLabs Luminata, the web portal. This movie outlines how to view the dynamic process map with the associated analytical data by assembling analytical data for every stage and molecular entity, batch and process characterization, analytical data on demand to support project team decisions, and lastly, reporting your database record for risk assessment pertaining to impurity onset, fate, and purge. Here is a full family tree for agomelantin, an antidepressant drug with its impurities. Right now we are on the summary view chevron. Each chevron represents a different view, and depending on the chevron you select, such as compound view, it would direct you to another linked record set. Let's get started with the process map. The structures are colored by their compound class. For instance, green would be an intermediate and API product. If you would like to change the coloration, simply select the other styles. While we described the coloration of the structures, we also have different colors for the associated arrows. Black arrows are for the synthetic route, blue arrows represent carryover of a structure, while green arrows represent a chemical transformation from the previous stage. You can also view the impurity fate by clicking on an entity and selecting Show Impurity Fate. When clicking on an entity, both the reference data and the batch data will appear. Now let's go to the Table View chevron. There are three notable tables here, but we will focus on two of them. Firstly, let's look at the control chart table. Within the control chart, we can do batch-to-batch assessment to note any impurity changes. Here we compare three different process routes for agomelantin. Lastly, let's discuss the carryover table. As the batch data is dynamically linked with the process map, when clicking on an impurity, it will automatically populate the carryover table. From here, these values can be exported automatically to the Microsoft Word format. By using the Luminata Web Portal, the chemist is able to view the process scheme and dynamically visualize the corresponding analytical and batch data. This is a decision support tool for any type of assessment, enabling you to make the right decision the first time around.